What's going on, Ed? Got some good news for you today. Got your Hoover Jr. all done. There she is. Looking good again. All cleaned up. Motor running. Clip installed for the beater bar. Beater bar all greased up. Everything's been cleaned thoroughly inside and out. Repaired the cord. So let me show you how it works. It's a little loud with the beater bar, but I've done about all I can do with it without having to try to find another one, which might be costly. So here we go. There you go. I'll send you a message and let you know that it's ready. And we'll talk soon. Thanks for watching.